Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Go.
Yes. Yes. I'm ready.
Can you say, yes, I'm ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Very good. There you go. High five. High five. There you go. Good job. So welcome to Acadsoc, David and Mommy. Before we begin, let's play a game. Okay. So David, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to spot the 6 differences between the 2 pictures. Okay?
OK， 来玩游戏。
Okay, wait a
找一下他们有哪
moment.
里不一样。
Okay. So again, 1 minute and 30 seconds to spot the 6 differences. Okay. Mommy, please use this one, Mommy. Paintbrush to circle your answer, okay?
哦，画笔。
Okay, ready? Go! Go, 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 go. 1. There you go. Good job. That's 1.
你找一找。
Go, David. 2. Very good. 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 more. 3. Good job. Last 3, David. Go, go, go.
没了，猜在哪里不一样？
Okay, 4. Last 2. Go, go, go. Last 2. Where is it? Very good. Good job, David. That's 5. Last one. Where's the last one? 1, 1, 1.
那最后一个。等一下。我找到了。
Wow! Woo! Good job. That's 6. Very good, David. Wow! Good job. Achoo! Very good. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow! Good job, David. Now, what are they? Do you know them? There. Meow. 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 What are they? There. What are they, David? There. Meow. Meow.
Meow, 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 cats.
Very good. Good job. They're cats. Okay. So today we will learn about cats and dogs. Okay. We will also talk about big cats and small cats. Okay, now let's begin. All right, good job. Okay.